guys, we're going to go back in the day. We really ain't going back in the day, but we're going to go back to today and how my DoorDash day looked. It looked like back in the day. Let's do this. Just waking up in the morning, gotta thank God. Today was the day that I dashed hard. And DoorDash paid me like them old days. Wish DoorDash go back to they old ways. Woo! What's up, y'all? It's your girl Stephanie. Steph D Livers. You know. Alright guys, so you can see from 5:24 to 8:53 p.m. Friday, July 20th. Check out these delivery earnings. I mean, they're double-digit earnings throughout. You do see that $7 delivery. However, it turned out to be a $10 delivery, $2 cash, and also the $1 additional pay. And then you might as well say that $9.45 is $10, but double-digit pay. That's what I'm talking about. DoorDash used to pay $5 per delivery plus, 100% customer tips. And this is how it used to look on a daily basis. If they could just get back to consistent payouts like these, man, there would be just, no one would be complaining. Bye, Felicia. And even the mileage I had to travel was pretty dang decent. I think the furthest I had to travel was 11 miles. And that wasn't like 11 miles to the customer. It's 11 miles total. A couple of these orders, I was already 5 miles out from the restaurant. Because after I deliver to a customer, I get an immediate delivery update to go back 5 miles to where I just came from, the general area, and pick up food and basically come back out to where I was. That happened twice, which was pretty cool because like really was no traffic where I was going and where I was coming from. So that was the max amount of miles that I had to travel tonight. 11, 10, 6, 3, 4. And I was able to, make decent money, about $68 because, I had the cash too, with 6 deliveries. It took me no time to do that. So I'm hoping that I'm going to see this on a consistent basis. I'm hoping that we're all going to see earnings like this on a consistent basis, and that the additional earnings will be consistent and maybe even up the ante in those established areas. Like my area is already established. If they can just up the additional earnings to average $3, and seriously, that will make a huge difference. A huge difference. So just thought I'd show you guys what kind of day I had today. And I have to say, today was a good day.